Hi, I'm going to show you how you can use a role-based access control in Portainer for Azure container instances. So in this case, I have an endpoint to ACI, and I want to allow certain users to have access to certain containers inside of ACI. And the way to do that is to set the access control on the ACI endpoint. So in this case, I want to select a certain user and assign the standard user role to it. So that gives that user access to certain containers. And when I go to adding a new container, so in this case, for instance, I'm gonna add another Nginx container, and I want to allow that user to actually be able to manage this container. So I assign that to this developer, and I now deploy the container. That only takes a few seconds. And then when I log in as that developer, I can go to the ACI endpoint, and I only see the container that I actually have access to. And then I see basically all its details. So that's how I can limit the different containers that are available to different users.